Hello, this is Nathan Booth, and I'm going to talk to you about my app Hover Player today and where it's at for Milestone 2. So, this is the second week that I've been working on this application, and suffice it to say, last week went a lot smoother than this week. That said, there are good things that happened. I did get sharing working, and I did get search working in a sense. Those were the main two things that I really needed to get done this week, and so I'm glad to say that they are complete. So, where are we? I'd say we're fairly close. There's still a lot of things that need to be done, um, such as I need to get the sensor and the voice controls working for the YouTube side, and then after that, I need to roll out the bugs for both of those. So, what is working? As I said, um, the search and the sharing is working. So I can grab any YouTube video from the YouTube app and I can share it to my app. Um, and that's pretty awesome. Also, there's a search implementation, which is a bit different than what I planned originally. Originally, I wanted to have it where you searched within the app and it gave you your results within the app. Instead, what I'm using is a certain share intent that allows me to search from the app and it takes you to the YouTube app to show the results. There you would select your video and then you would share the video back to Hover Player. It's not the most streamlined process, but it does work. Um, and the other processes I was trying to get to work weren't working. So, I figured it was important to have it working as opposed to not working at all. What isn't working? I did not get account manager to work, and that was a big part of this week. That's what would have allowed the user to view their favorites and their most recently watched videos on YouTube in the app. And while it's a shame that's not working, I also seem to find evidence that points to I don't know if it would be possible to get it to work in the first place. So it's not the worst thing ever. It's not the core foundation of the application. It was just a neat thing that, something that'd be neat to have in it. The stuff that isn't working that I do want to have in it and really concentrate still are obviously the sensors. That proximity sensor needs to be working, and so does that voice control. They need to be working, or else all we have is a useless video player application, and there's a lot of those already. So those are my primary focus, and I will have them done, if not by this weekend, or by early next week. Um, and I'm just looking at working through the night tonight to get it working. So I'll show you the app real quick where we're at. So let me try and get this. So I open it up, and alrighty. So you have this page. If you click the YouTube videos, it takes you to this. Has some filler text at the top because really all it has is a search box on it. And on the search box, if you don't type in anything, it'll give you a toast saying that you need to type in stuff. And if you do type in something, I'll type in YouTube, just because it's a YouTube app. You can see they typed. Oh, sorry about that. You can see that I typed in YouTube. I'll turn down the brightness on my screen real quick to make that work a little better. So if I search that, it gives you an alert saying that it is going to be taking you to YouTube and telling you how you can get back to the app so that you can actually watch the video in Hover Player. So if you click continue to YouTube, it takes you to YouTube where it displays these results. Now, this isn't the preferred method. It would have been nice to have it where it just worked within the app, but it's not horrible either because it's displaying in a probably better format than I probably could have gotten it to be. So I'm not too upset about that. So if you click the top video, it'll start loading, right? It'll have this stuff up there. Now if you click the share menu, you can now see Hover Player right there. When you click that, it will take you into the app. And so that's how search works. Now if I were to exit out of that entirely and go to our YouTube app, get into there real quick. So you can see I'm in my history right now on the YouTube app. And if I click one of those and then do same process, hit the share button, it gives you the option to go in from there. So once again, there we go, it's in our app. So that's what I got done this week. And in some ways I'm happy about what I got done this week, because I feel that share intent is a huge part, and it's actually kind of making me figure out more of where I want to go with this application. I'm thinking about possibly making it where it doesn't really have a launcher, where it's something you just open up through share intents. And that would get rid of a lot of the needless fluff. That would make it a lot easier to just go in. Basically, would just make it where I have a video, I want to watch this video, and I want to have these controls. As opposed to going into an entirely separate app for that, I would go into the typical app, and then I'd just share straight to the app that I'd like to play it in, Hover Player. So I feel a lot of good things happened this week, even with the setbacks of time-wise and just things that didn't get completed. Anyways, that's all I've got for this week, and I look forward to doing the final reveal next week. Thank you for watching my video. I hope all your weekends go great. I'm Nathan.